Welcome to the course. Thank you for investing in it. And you'll find as we go through, there are various modules that it's broken down into so that you can do it as much or as little as you want to at a time. There are download sheets for you to fill in. If there are others that you're working with, you can talk those through. But we are going to identify, we're going to look at how we can understand the senses by identifying them, recognizing them, and defining exactly what they are so that we can talk the same language, which is especially helpful for when we come on to managing them. We all have our own unique sensory thumbprint. No two of us are made the same. So it's about finding out how you work and how the children that you work with, your own family, and bring out the best in them. So we are going to pick apart each of our 7 senses and have a look at each of those senses and see how they affect behaviour, how they affect eating, how they affect sleeping, how they affect coordination. So we can't see our brains. We can't see what's going on, but we do know our neurology, and we have a whole pile of neuroscience. I'm going to give you some information in the neuroscience so that we can then use common sense and apply and put the 2 and 2 together. So we see a behaviour, we understand the neuroscience, and we can put it together, and that is when change happens. Parents, this will help you be calmer, more confident, enjoy the children that we've been given. Teachers, this will empower you, I trust, and help you to be more confident of how you manage your class and the difference that it can make to the way that you work with the whole class as well as with individual children. Marriages, it can make a big difference to those irritating little behaviours when we can put a new framework around why they are the way they are and bring us closer together. And for adults, if you've never had anyone explain sensory issues before, I trust this will make a real difference to how you understand yourself and can enjoy yourself and live with yourself that much easier and put things in place so that you can function and do the things that you want to do even better. So we are going to look at 7 senses, 4 key areas: arousal, modulation, perception, a sensory-based motor difficulty. And in a way they're complex topics, but we're going to just look at what makes sense to you when you've never had any training, but they will make sense to you. You're not therapists, and I'm not teaching you or training you to be a therapist either. I just want to give you the tools and the information that you need to make a difference, because you can, and that's what I'm here to help with.